We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
One of the earliest Liudui Hakka settlements in South Taiwan, Zhutian, was formerly known as Dunwu, or store, because it was once Taiwan's largest rice depot. During the Japanese occupation, the township was renamed after the beautiful bamboo groves bordering its fertile paddy fields. Built in 1722, the Liudui Martyr Shrine in Shishi village commemorates 8 Hakka militiamen who died defending the area from rebellion. The martyrs are still remembered in 2 important Hakka ceremonies each year. Next door to the shrine is the Hakka Culture Museum, which showcases Hakka history, foods, and customs, particularly the rural lifestyle of Hakka in Pingdong. The museum is in the style of the traditional Hakka courtyard home known as a Weilongwu. Hey, what's up? It's Joseph Lin with our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng.
Welcome back, Alice. You know, again, I want to thank you. 我真的感谢你这几个礼拜、这几个月这样子辛辛苦苦的教我这个哈卡，我很高兴。Anyways, I'm going to go home very soon, so I want to impress them. I want to be able to call their names in Hakka. 我想回家的时候啊，应该要把这个哈卡学的带回家里去。那有阿公、有阿嬷、阿爸爸、阿妈妈，这怎么说？
阿公的话就是阿公，
阿公，这简单，没问题。阿公 ，that's grandfather. Okay, how about grandma?
阿婆，
阿婆，阿婆，听起来像阿婆，
就是阿婆，
就是阿婆，阿婆就是
阿妈，
就婆婆嘛，
对呀，
就是阿妈 ，that's grandma. Okay, 阿婆，可是阿婆也听起来像 apple. So you guys remember, apple or 阿婆 means grandma. OK， 那爸爸呢？
阿爸，
阿爸都是啊，全部都是啊。好，阿爸，这个也简单，阿爸 ，that's daddy。那妈咪嘞？
阿妹，
阿妹，我喜欢阿妹的歌啊。阿妹是妈妈的意思吗？阿妹
就不能说阿妈咯。
That's mother, huh? Okay, got it. So that's mother. So there you have it. Let's go over those vocabularies again. Grandpa,
阿公，
阿公 ，grandma,
阿婆，
阿婆，father,
阿爸，
阿爸 and mother,
阿妹，
阿妹. All right. Thank you very much. I can go home proudly now. And that's our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
什么大家张磊了，
张磊了，俺子say。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.